And speaking of salita, sir, no, you've been invited for so many events or speaking engagements as a motivational speaker. And your experience as a voice actor is so inspiring by itself. Ano ang motivation mo every time you get invited to be a motivational speaker?
Alam mo, at the end of the day, I just tell my story. I use it to inspire people. I use my talent to get the attention. But bottom line, ang ultimate goal ko nun, you learn from my story, you learn from my principle, and you use it right after the training. Kasi useless lahat ng seminar or workshop if you're not going to use it anyway. The most important is your intention and motive and what you do with what you've learned.
Yes.
Kasi kahit anong haba ng seminar, 10 maghapon yan, pagbalik mo sa bahay, kalimutan mo na, edi useless din, nagsayang ka lang ng buong maghapon, di ba? Yun lang ang point doon. Because inspiration and motivation has expiration. So it expires right after you watch a good speaker, pero hindi mo naman gagamitin sa buhay mo, hindi mo alam mo yun, ma-adapt yan sa buhay mo. Nasa sayo naman yan eh. So dito, halimbawa, yan, kayo nakikinig ngayon. Ano bang gusto mo? Di ba? Kaya laging yung 5 tanong, lagi kong tinatanong yan. Ano ba yung 5 tanong? Di ba? Sino ka? Saan ka galing? Ba't ka nandito? Anong kaya mong gawin? Saan ka pupunta? So yan, pag yan nasagot mo lahat yan, madali lang gawin yung lahat ng gagawin mo sa buhay because you know why you wake up anyway. And a lot of people are waking up, still don't know why they wake up and woke up. And a lot of people just didn't woke up or wake up kasi patay na sila.
Yes.
And every day there are people dying, especially now because of COVID. Pero yun nga, habang buhay ka, gawin mo na yung dapat mong gawin, yung purpose mo. Nandito naman kami para tulungan ka. Alam mo sa SIBAP, ang daming na-discover yung sarili nila.
At isa na ako doon, sir. To think, I've been doing this as a volunteer work and this year lang ako nagkaroon ng super ignited na